Do you hesitate when speaking English? It's normal, but with practice, you can speak confidently. Welcome to the Unlock English podcast with Alex. Today, we'll focus on 350 daily phrases that will help you get rid of that hesitation. Fluency doesn't happen instantly, and perfection isn't the goal. It's about using simple phrases in everyday situations, whether you're ordering food, talking to friends, or meeting new people. Here are 60 useful sentences to get you started. How are you doing today? Can I help you with anything? What time is it? Where are you from? I don't understand. Could you explain that again? I'm not sure, but I'll find out. Can you recommend a good restaurant around here? What's your favorite hobby? I'd love to visit place someday. Could you speak a bit slower, please? What do you like to do in your free time? I'm sorry. Could you say that again? Could you please give me directions to the nearest station? I've been really busy lately. Can you tell me more about that? I'm looking for a place to eat around here. How's everything going with your project? What's the best way to get there? I didn't expect that at all. Do you mind if I ask you a question? I'm really looking forward to this weekend. That sounds amazing. Tell me more. Could you recommend a good movie? Do you want to join us for dinner? I'm feeling a bit tired today. Have you been to place before? It's been great catching up with you. What kind of music do you listen to? Are you free this afternoon? I can't believe how quickly time is flying. I think we should try a different approach. I'll get back to you on that. What do you think about this idea? Let me know if you need any help. Do you know a good place to shop around here? That's such a great suggestion. I can't wait to see you again soon. How do you usually spend your holidays? I really enjoyed our conversation today. Is there anything else I can do for you? Do you have any plans for the weekend? How long have you been learning English? What do you usually do in the evenings? Do you want to grab a coffee sometime? How was your day? What did you do today? I think I'm getting better at this. Let me know if you need help. Could you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. It was nice talking to you. I'll see you later. Do you want to go for a walk? What's the weather like today? Do you mind if I join you? I really appreciate your help. How do you feel about this idea? Can I ask you a question? That sounds like a great plan. I'm looking forward to our next meeting. The fear of mistakes causes hesitation, but don't worry, mistakes are part of learning. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Start with these 350 phrases, say them out loud, and use them in daily conversations. Over time, you'll speak with confidence, not hesitation.